Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, what have we got here? Oh, goodness, all kind of stuff here. Whoa, looks like someone's been shopping. Where you been shopping, Mike? Hey, Mike Foster here, how you doing? Well, my wife and I went to Costco to get an eye exam, and I said, let me just walk through the aisles and see what's doing. I found all this stuff, so I said, hey, why don't I share this with you? This is Mike Tries Costco stuff. Check it out. All right, let's start off with this. This is Wild Roots Coastal Berry. It's got almonds, cashews, cranberries, yogurt chips, and blueberries. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Can you see that? Oh, that looks pretty good. Okay, cashews. Drop the blueberry. These are cranberries. I think you're supposed to eat them all at once, so here's a handful, just some of those yogurts. It's good. Salty and sweet. Is it any good for you? 140 calories a serving. 3 grams of protein. 2 grams of fiber. Low sodium. Not bad. Nice trail mix. Oh, you can't beat these. Look, check these out. Macadamia nuts, dry roasted, little sodium. How much? 100 milligrams. Oh. Oh. Reminds me of Hawaii. Thumbs up. Now these have some protein, some fiber, some calories. These are good. These are heavenly hunks. This is a gluten-free dessert. These are made out of white chips, cranberries. That's this organic, gluten-free, vegan. These have 130 calories. Take a look at that thing. Well, somebody's got to do it. Take a bite. Lots of oat taste. Taste some coconut in there. Cranberry. That's delicious. If you're on gluten-free, try this one. Another thumbs up. Well, these are just organic dried blueberries. Take a look at them. See what they look like. Well, we're gonna try to get there. They are. Now, if you want blueberries and you can't keep them in the fridge and you want them to last a while, these are good. These have no protein. I got a video on why you should eat blueberries, and they're really healthy for you. So let's see if they taste good. They taste good. Taste good with blueberries. They taste like blueberries. No, it tastes really good. Blueberry with this guy. Let's try it. That's it. That's the one. Well, this is called Nutso. Nutso. And look at his gut in it. It's a butter, like a peanut butter, but it's got cashews, almonds, Brazil nuts, and that's Nutso. Then flax seeds, chia seeds, hazelnuts, pumpkins, seeds, and a little sea salt. It's got to be healthy for you. If I could read this, I'd tell you. But it's loaded with protein, like 9 grams of protein. I guess put it on some toast, but I'm going to take a little dip of it. Give you an idea what it looks like. Let's see it. We don't want to describe what it looks like. Let's try it though. It's very nutty. Then all the nuts are colliding with each other. Not one stands out. But you taste the crunch of those chia seeds. What other seeds are in there? And flax seeds. This has got to be healthy for you. Got natural omegas. I'm going to use this. Costco, you're kicking butt. And then last, you can't beat this. David's cookies, butter pecan melt-aways. Melt in your mouth. These are made with butter, pecan, and powdered sugar. It's a tough job, so I'm gonna do it. Good way to end the day. Dessert. Nice cookie taste. Not too sweet. I haven't been to Costco since my last eye exam, and that was 2 years ago. I gotta tell you, they still got this stuff. I'm sure these aren't healthy for you. Only 80 calories a serving. Guess what? That one's got gluten. I prefer this one. So that's an episode of Mike Tries. Go to Costco. Go try different things across the country, the world. And if you want more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at all my socials, and keep living life 365. Till next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
I can't stop it. What else have we got? None of it was healthy. But it is the sweet babu. And the blueberries. I do like this nut stuff. 'Cause I'm a nut baba.